One of my favorite things to do as a budget coach is dive into the nitty gritty of a client's big event and break it down into small items. By event, I mean your move. So what you're gonna do in this cost breakdown sheet is you're gonna write down all the final estimates of every single thing you think you're gonna need for your move. So that includes your movers, it includes food, tolls, gas. If you're gonna be doing ride shares when you move, are you gonna be staying at hotels? We're gonna break it all down and we're gonna get an estimate of how much it is so that we can start saving each month for your move. Let's use simple numbers. So let's say your move is gonna cost you $6,000 and you have 6 months to save for it. You're going to be putting $1,000 away every single month for your move in a high yield savings account. Let's break down how forecasting really works. You're moving. Let's say you're doing a road trip from New York to LA and you're gonna need food for that entire time that you're there. You're gonna figure out gas, you're gonna figure out accommodations and flights. So what I've done in this sheet is I've broken it down so that you can literally plug in how many days you're gonna be gone, how many meals you're gonna need, how much gas is gonna cost, what kind of accommodations are you gonna use? Are you gonna use points? Are you gonna use cash? Are there flights? How many flights? And then that's not all because I couldn't help myself. So that's during your move, so that you're thinking about life during your move. Now let's think about post-planning after your move. What are the things you're gonna need for your new place? Are you gonna need to get all new kitchen spices? That is so expensive. That adds up so much. But what about a couch or a TV or a new chair, or maybe you're getting a new bed? So you want to think through all those prices and all of those items that you want, and you're going to put them down here. You're going to decide, do I need to buy that right now or can I hold off? Because depending on your financial situation, you might not be able to buy everything at one time. So you go ahead and you write down what you can and can't afford in this time. What's a necessity? A bed is probably going to take higher priority than a TV. And then you're going to think about the things that you don't need right now. You're gonna write down the cost. You're gonna see how many months you have to save for them. That's usually based off of your goals. I'd like to buy a couch in 3 months. Then I do all the math for you and you'll find out how much you need to save per month for those items. Your cost breakdown and your forecasting sheets are the most valuable tool to successfully plan for your move. And you can use this and implement this in every area of your life. Got 15 bachelorettes this year, got 10 weddings you're going to, you can use these forecasting budgets to help you with that as well. That's it. You have everything you need for a successful, stress-free move. But if you do have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me at Beyond the Green Coaching on all social media platforms, as well as reach out to Roadway Moving because they're so helpful and they know what they're doing. Happy moving.